You want to know how to check your stats in Money Manager? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your expenses and income over a statistic chart. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you need to just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created some videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now right here on the bottom, you should be seeing various options, and right beside transaction, you should be seeing stats. And now once you're under stats, here you should be seeing your income and expense stats right here. So you can just simply switch accordingly, just like this, and it should show you right here. Now you can also switch from monthly to yearly or period or a certain period of time as well as you want. It ends at weekly. So that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you easily check your stats in Money Manager. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.